So let's go inside and see what exactly we have to do. Here is Hugh, of course, with some team grunts. Let's face this grunt. He has a Watson. I send out Crocodile and I go for the crunch. Doesn't KO Watson. Repair. KO's Watson and Watson is down. We get a Moxie boost. And Garbodor, which won't be a problem. I go for the dig. And Garbodor is down. So, yeah, oh no, impossible, unbelievable how you lost. What can I do with you? Get out. He's sleeping, okay. Can I go here? No. Can I go here? Yes. Yeah, you are going. Unbelievable. Okay, a double battle, I guess. Yes, a double battle with these guys. They have 4 Pokemon, Golbat and Seviper as a first. So let's go for the Rock Slide that will hurt both. Rock Slide to both, yes. It will do a lot versus Golbat, which is weak to it. Of course he attacks to me. Why wouldn't he attack to me? Anyway, Rock Slide will KO both and I will get 2 Moxie boosts and a level. Moxie and a level. And I'm 47. So, and I am plus 2 and these Pokemon that are weak to dig. So let's attack to Drapion, which I think is the most dangerous. The Serperior is down, I guess. Yes, it is. Wolfenzant is his next Pokemon. I go for the dig and Drapion will faint. Yes, it will. And he attacks to me, of course he attacks to me, anyway. I'm plus 3 and Garbodor is down. I must find a code now, I guess, in order to go through here. So let's go find Let's go find the password. Enough with Crocodile, Darmanitan. So let's get here and go have some battles to find the code, I guess, also. So, have a battle with this guy here. With this girl, I'm sorry, she has Crafty. That's not good. That's not good. Boom boom. Crafty. Let's send out Braviary. Goes for the high jump kick, I guess. No, it doesn't. Fly. KOs, I guess. Yes, it does. Scraft is down. Let's get inside and have a battle with this guy. He has Drapion. Drapion, okay, Fire Punch. Drapion uses Toxic Spikes anyway, a good move, competitive, but in game it is not that useful, so Drapion is down. My favorite number is 0, so I guess that one of the numbers, no, I don't think so. One of the numbers is 0. Let's see what this guy is here. I can heal, very good. Let's sleep 4 hours here on this frigate and go have if you want to go outside, thank you. Let's go have battles versus all of these guys. He has 3 Pokemon, Scraggy is the first one. It was the first one, Krokorok, with no Intimidate, very good. And it is down. Super duper power. You know what? Yes, Rock Slide is a TM. If I need it, I will use it later. Let's teach to Darmanitan super duper power. Of course, if I had Rock Slide, I'm sorry, it would be easier to KO this Golbat, but I did anyway. Let's have Samurott first now. Code, please. No. What about you? Not even battles. What if I enter here? Where is the card? Here. What? No. What about you? That's Reshiram and Zekrom. Thank you. This is Electrizer. So now if you can trade and if you are interested, you can have Electrivire. So now we're facing this here. Razor Shell, which KOs Ponyard. No, it does not KO Ponyard anyway. Aqua Jet does. Next one is Ponyard again. I miss. And now it is down. And Ponyard again, I go for the defense, which is super effective, double super effective versus Ponyard, and it is down. What's that? I prefer, now I can enter the code, that's good. But I want you to tell me the code, please. Will you, I cannot even enter here, let's have a battle with this guy. He has only one Pokemon, Garbodor, which is bulky, I guess. Let's see how much Razor Shell does. It does more than half. He will get the... he didn't, surprisingly, he didn't get the Poison Pack. I am 47. Three of the four are the same numbers. So let's get there, and I think I know the code. It must be no, how I got here. It must be 200. Let's try. Yes. 2000. No. What about no, I must go have some talk with other Team Plasma members. I tried 0200. I tried a lot of combinations. I tried 2000. Anyway, I guess that I have to talk with some extra members. Let's heal. Let's send Chao Haxorus and go fight other Team Plasma members. I hope they will tell us the code. Here, this guy. He will give us a hint, so this is good. Dragon Claw, which KOs this girly people. No, it does not. And it gets the Poison Hacks. Anyway, I'm surprised that it didn't KO. Anyway, now it is down. And we are very close to 50, the first Pokemon to reach this high level. And Watchog, Dragon Claw. And Watchog is down. And we're 50. The second number is 9, so I guess now we have the code. It must be 0990. 0900. So let's go try this. No. Yes. No. 09. No. 00. No.